Hey there, Lance here. Today I want to talk about something simple but powerful, improving before starting new. Planting new seeds feels productive if you're gardening, but the real growth, that comes from watering and pruning what's already been planted. A lot of marketers chase after new content, new tools, new traffic, but sometimes your next marketing win doesn't come from creating more. It comes from optimizing what already exists. So here's the problem, the way I see it. Most teams publish something new, they check the box, and they move on. We treat URLs like set it and forget it, just leave it there, build it and they will come. Nope. And I get it, it's easy to feel like you're doing marketing just by publishing and adding something new. Look at me, I did marketing, I posted something. But that's not the game that we're playing. The game that you should be playing. You should be going for outcomes, not outputs. Publishing is just outputs. You don't need more pages. You need more performance from the ones that already exist. So stop publishing anything new until you know exactly what outcome you want and what metrics will show you're getting closer to those outcomes. So, for example, at Avalanche Creative, that outcome is simple. Leads through a website. The early signs of a page that's contributing are just as simple. It's getting impressions and then rankings and then eventually clicks. And then when people are clicking through to the website from Google, from AI, from whatever, we're getting the outcomes. We're getting the leads. We're getting form fills. We're getting calls. And if it's not doing those things yet, start there. So here's your activity. Here's the things you can do. Pick one high-performing page or one that should be driving valuable business outcomes that you believe is. Then export its top queries from Google Search Console. Free tool, go get the data there. Identify secondary keywords that are sitting in positions 11 to 30, let's say. Work those into new sections, FAQs, headings, CTAs where it feels appropriate. Vibe with AI if you want to help analyze your page and what you could do there to make it better. You're not rebuilding it, you're refining it. Next comes the output. You end up with a page that already has some traction, and it gets a glow up. It's got roots. You're just giving it what it needs to grow deeper and stronger. You're watering it, giving it a little more sunlight. And if you do that, do it a few times, go back to that page, go back to other pages, you're eventually going to get those things, those better rankings, the more traffic, more clicks, and most importantly, more of the outcomes you actually care about. Momentum without more content. So, before you plant something new this week, take 5 minutes to water what's already there. You might be surprised how fast it grows. So get out there, get moving, move, and get momentum.